Siddharth this side. So today's our topic is logistic regression. So logistic regression is a powerful and widely used statistical and machine learning model primarily employed for classification tasks. Despite its name, logistic regression is used for classification, not regression. It models the relationship between one or more independent variables and a binary dependent variable, a variable with two possible outcomes. Although it can also handle multi-class problems with slight modifications. The key difference between logical regression and linear regression is that logistic regression is used with the target variable is categorical, typically with two classes binary outcomes such as yes or no, spam or not spam, or default or not default. In data science, logistic regression is found for binary classification task. It models the relationship between input feature and the probability of particular outcome using logistic sigmoid function to output a value of between 0 and 1. Now, key concepts are binary classification logistic, which is used when the outcome variable is binary, meaning its only possible values typically represented as 0 and 1. And next is log odds and logic function. Logistic regression works with log odds rather than direct possibilities. Log odds refers to the logarithm of the ratio of the probability of the positive class to the probability of negative class. The next is the central concept of logistic regression is the logistic function, also known as sigmoid function. It transforms the output of a linear model, a weighted sum of input features, into a probability values between 0 and 1. In probability and decision boundary, the logistic regression models output the probabilities that observation belongs to the positive class. Typically, a threshold is set to convert this probability into binary feature. Now, key concept of logistic regression modeling is first is training the model. We have to train the process involves using the data estimates the coefficient of the logistic regression equation, etc. And optimization algorithms like gradient descents or Newton's method also find the coefficient that minimize the error in the predicted probabilities compared to the actual outcomes. Next is overfitting and regularization. And overfitting occurs when the model learns the noise in the training data, leading to poor generalization on new data. Regularization techniques like L1 regularization and L2 regularization, lasso and rich, are used to penalize large coefficient, helping to prevent overfitting by forcing the model to focus on most important features. Multinomial logistic regression. While basic logistic regression is used for binary classification, multinomial logistic regression is an extension of logistic regression that allows for multi-class classification. It is used when outcome variable has more than two categories. The advantage is simple and interpretable, probabilistic, outcome efficient, assume linearity, sensitive to outliers, limited to binary classification. These are disadvantages. Thank you.